In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use Spotify codes. It's a great way to discover and share music, and we'll show you how to find and scan them on your Android or iOS device. To scan a Spotify code, go to the app on your mobile and tap on the Search tab at the bottom. Once you're in the search function, you'll see a field for artists, songs, or podcasts. Now, look for the camera icon in the search bar and select it. This will activate your device's camera. All you need to do is point your camera at any Spotify code you come across, whether it's on a billboard, a friend's phone, or anywhere else. The Spotify app automatically recognizes the code and redirects you to the content. Spotify also uses URI codes, which work differently from Spotify codes. URI codes are like web links and can't be scanned with your camera. They are text-based identifiers used to link to specific elements on Spotify, such as music, playlists, podcasts, and profiles. If you're using the Spotify desktop app and want to find a URI code, here's what you need to do. Open the app and navigate to the piece of content you want to get the URI code for. Right-click on that piece of content. A list of options will appear. Look for the option Share and hover your mouse over it. Now, here's a trick. While still hovering, hold down the Control key, or the Option key for Mac users, on your keyboard. This will make the Option Copy Song link appear. While holding down the Control key, click on the link. This will copy the URI code to your clipboard, ready to be pasted and shared wherever you like. That's it. Thank you for watching.